I'm Dr. Bailasha, Professor and Head Department of Dermatology at BJ Medical College. On the day of Teachers' Day, that is 5th September, this is my privilege and honor to talk to all my students and ex-students, many of whom have become my dear colleagues now. Why we observe 5th September as Teachers' Day? Let us recollect the history. We should not forget the great scholar Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was our first Vice President and second President of India. People wanted to celebrate his birth as fancy day, but he said, not in my name, but it should be observed as Teachers' Day. So he was a great man in the sense he wanted to observe this day not as his birthday, but in name of all the teachers. So we should learn the first lesson from him, that we should share and we should observe this day in the name of teacher and continue to celebrate his scholastic skills which God has given to us so as to make the patients' lives better by the day. So if I talk about dermatology and if I look back at my journey, which has been ongoing for last 35 years when I joined this department as postgraduate student, I cannot forget my postgraduate days, and when I joined as faculty, every single day is actually in my memory. It has been a great journey, and what I have learned over a period of time from the patients, from the teachers, from the colleagues, you have to bring in the skill so as to make the correct diagnosis with utmost skill and continue doing better in your job every day. We should not forget the advances which are taking place in our field, and we all know medicine is evolving science. Similarly, dermatology has undergone a sea change over a period of times, but we should not forget the clinical dermatology, which is the stepping stone for dermatologist's career. We should also focus our attention to the communicable diseases like leprosy, which is very much around us, and of course the STIs, which is also part of our training. With time, everything has changed. Now we have become expert dermatosurgeons and aesthetic dermatologists. But then, to excel in these fields, we require a lot of skill. But that skill should be achieved once you have strong foundation of clinical dermatology. So I welcome all the changes which I have experienced in my life, and I wish all my students and my colleagues a very best of their lives ahead. And I have been lucky to observe the students who have passed from this premier institute, that is BJ Medical College. All of them have done very well in their lives, and they continue to do well in their lives. Most of them have happy family lives, their careers are well settled, and I'm very, very happy to share that many of my students have become professors and they are doing well even in other institutes. So many are practicing in society with good values which they have imbibed from this premier institute. So as a doctor, as a dermatologist, we should never forget our duty towards patient, and everybody should be empathetic to the patient's concern. We have to be patient listeners, and many a times if you listen to the patient carefully, half of his pain disappears. Instead of writing long prescriptions, it is better we just dwell into the disease process which is ongoing in patient's body, and if we can restrict our prescription to 1 to 3 drugs, and that is what we need to do in our patients in most of the cases. If we look at our branch, which has fascinating diseases like genodermatosis, many of the autoimmune diseases, and now we have better drugs like small molecules and biologics. So how to place these drugs in practice is also an art. But then we should learn this art not at the cost of anything else, but we have to have empathy in our approach to the patient. And that is going to work in all the cases if we listen to the patient carefully, if we feel that the patients require this drug at this particular moment of time, and we can definitely make a major change in the quality of life of the patients. Lastly, as we achieve something in the life, we should always remember that. We should remain grounded and we should inculcate value of being humble. That is what is the need of the hour. Thank you.
I first met Bela ma'am when I joined the Department of Dermatology at BJ Medical College Civil Hospital, Ahmedabad as a resident. And I must say that she still works with the same enthusiasm as she did almost a couple of decades ago. As head of department, ma'am has tried her very best to keep it updated and moving forward with the times. Ma'am used to always insist that we must practice evidence-based medicine, and those teachings have remained with me up until now. The foundation years spent at BJ Medical College and Civil Hospital have helped me immensely to shape my practice, and I hope that ma'am continues to train many more generations of dermatologists, and I wish her a very happy Teachers' Day.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anshul Varman, Consultant Dermatologist at Apollo Hospital, Ahmedabad. Today I stand before you as a dermatologist and more importantly as a grateful student to my postgraduate teacher Dr. Bela Shah ma'am from Civil Hospital, Ahmedabad. I am here to express my deepest gratitude towards her today on the occasion of Teachers' Day. She has been leading all her students by example. She is not just a teacher but a real mentor. She still has a thirst for knowledge which is absolutely insatiable, always staying updated with her latest advancement, and this education and experience has not only enriched her but also directly benefiting her students and her patients. She believes in not just treating and teaching her skin conditions but also that understanding about the self-esteem of the patients is and the real emotion behind their minds is also equally important. She embodies the essence of a true teacher, and she is someone not who would impart knowledge but also give and leave an indelible mark on the hearts and minds of her students. I wish this message goes on the day of Guru Purnima more than Teachers' Day, but nevertheless, I want to express my deepest gratitude to dear Bela ma'am for her unwavering commitment. Thank you ma'am for being a guiding light in my lifelong journey of being a dermatologist and for reminding us all that in this world of medicine, compassion and understanding is as important as medical expertise. I wish madam a very happy Teachers' Day.
I feel privileged to have been a student of Dr. Bela Shah ma'am. As a mentee, it's not always the subjects. It's not just the dermatology that I have learned from her, but there are a lot of other her values that I have imbibed in my practice. Some of her virtues that I've always used are her ethics, her integrity, her commitment to the patients, and that intense desire to always keep learning. I still remember her studying and reading for hours together, even before a simple talk. So that's something I've always tried to do in my own practice. I'm so thankful to her and I feel privileged to be her student. Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
On this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to express my sincere gratitude for my respected teacher, Dr. Bela Shah madam. I would say me and my fellow students, my fellow colleagues, we have been very lucky to have studied under Dr. Bela Shah madam's guidance. In every way, she is a perfect teacher and we get to learn many things simply by observing her. Her keen sense of interest in the subject, her affection for us, the way she used to take care of us for the subject and for other things as well. She has been a true mentor and guide for me. So on this occasion of Teachers' Day, I would sincerely once again thank Dr. Bela Shah madam.
Myself Dr. Ashish Jagati, Associate Professor, NHL Medical College. I have been lucky to be mentored under the guidance of Dr. Bela Shah ma'am. She is an inspiration to so many of her students. I truly value how she handholds her students to build their career. She is always available for any type of help and guidance. I am truly grateful to her for life. Thank you so much, ma'am, and wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.